Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert logo in CapCut. So for you to insert logo in CapCut, this is what you have to do. Make sure you import the logo to your CapCut. So you just go to your file storage and look for the source where you can get the logo. So I'm going to be using this particular logo. I can see this particular logo is saved in pictures under my local disk drive. So I just select it and import it. And you can see it as my heart as imported object. So just click and see this is my logo, Twoguysfinance. That is the logo for my video. So I'm just going to drag this and add it to my timeline. So right here I'm going to have to rescale or resize this logo. So I'm going to click at any edge and resize it into any particular shape I want and the size I want. Then I'm going to drag it somewhere around here, or I can place it here. So I'm going to place it here. You see? Okay, let me put it here. Good. You see? And that's it. And you can just come to your timeline and drag it to the end. So that means with this, whenever it's put, if I need your cool, like and follow for more. Thank you.